In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly website quickly and effortlessly. If you've ever needed to start fresh or just want to remove a particular site permanently, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through this process swiftly, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to execute it on your own. First, let's head over to Weebly's homepage. You're going to need to log into your account if you haven't already. This step sets us on the right path, and it's your starting point whenever interacting with any of your Weebly websites. Once logged in, locate the dashboard, where you typically manage your sites. Now, inside your dashboard, there's a section called My Site. This area is crucial as it contains all the details about your existing websites. It's where you'll manage everything from your site's design to its settings. Click on My Site to bring up a list of all the websites associated with your Weebly account. Next, look for three dots located next to your site's name in this list. Consider these dots a gateway to more options tailored for your site. They might seem tiny and unassuming, but clicking on them reveals a menu of critical actions. Within this menu is where you'll find the option labeled Delete Site. Before proceeding, ensure this is the correct site you intend to delete, as this action is irreversible. It's a permanent decision, and unfortunately, any content on the site will be lost. If you're certain, click on Delete Site. Upon clicking this option, a confirmation box usually prompts you to verify your decision. This step acts as a safeguard against accidental deletion. Some users find themselves hesitating here to double check that they aren't deleting something irreplaceable. Take a moment to make sure you're comfortable proceeding, and once ready, confirm by clicking on Delete Site again. And just like that, your Weebly site is deleted. It's as simple as these few clicks, and it's complete in under a minute once you've got the hang of it. Remember that although the process is straightforward, ensuring you're deleting the correct site is essential. Double check the site name each time to avoid any mistakes. Thank you for following along in this quick tutorial on how to delete your Weebly website. We hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, happy navigating!